Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simran. I am currently 37 weeks pregnant and it's high time that I should pack my hospital bag. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the most important things that you will need when you go to the hospital is going to be your paperwork. For sure you need your pregnancy reports, जो भी आपके starting के reports होंगे, scan की details and everything until that time period you need to carry that with you. And the second most important thing that you will need is your ID. So specifically in Canada you will need to bring your health card, your pregnancy reports and documents. ये तो हमेशा ही ऐसे होता है कि आप एंड मोमेंट पे कुछ ना कुछ भूल जाते हो और सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ ही बंदा भूल जाता है. सो मेक श्योर कि आप अपनी एक आईडी और अपना हेल्थ कार्ड इफ़ यू आर इन कैनेडा, वो चीज़ें और अपनी रिपोर्ट्स जो हैं वो रखना बिल्कुल मत भूलें. सो दोज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू कीप. So starting with the clothing, I am keeping 2 to 3 पैक ऑफ पीजेस. मैंने कोशिश करी है कि मैं बटन डाउन वाले ही रखूँ सो दैट इट्स ईजी फॉर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग एज वेल एंड यू आर कंफर्टेबल. आई हैव बॉट दिस वन स्पेसिफिकली फॉर माई हॉस्पिटल बैग. आई डिड बाय इट लिटरली बिकॉज मेरे पास बटन डाउन पीजेस नहीं थे और एंड आई रियली फाउंड द print of this one really cute. So this is how it looks like and this detailing at the bottom. I've packed another button down. This you might have seen me wearing in my videos on Instagram. This is not a new buy. I have just kept it in my hospital bag. Button down hai, again breastfeeding ke liye easily accessible hai. So I'm just gonna pack this one. Next in I have this nursing gown which is going in my hospital bag because under this ruffle thing there is this zip thing which can make your breastfeeding really easy. Next I have kept this pink dress as the homecoming outfit. I believe it is muslin cotton, so the fabric is really soft, and I bought this when I was around 27 or 28ish weeks pregnant, and this fit me back then perfectly. After delivery, when we are coming back home, hopefully I'll lose weight and I will be able to fit in. Not sure, but yeah, I'm just keeping this one. Pads and maternity panties are something that you can for sure keep in your hospital bag in case you feel like आपको ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. Next, I'm going to keep 3 pairs of these socks just in case I feel cold, because usually it is said कि after delivery आपको ठंड लगती है. So I am just keeping these in case it's needed. For the similar purpose, I'm keeping one cotton scarf in case I just need to cover myself up, and I am keeping one woolen one. वैसे भी आई हैव हर्ड कि आपको सर ढक के रखना होता है कुछ टाइम के लिए ताकि आपको ठंड ना लगे एंड देन योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर remains same. I'm not sure इसके पीछे scientific reason है या नहीं है. You need to do that or no. I don't know how it happens here in Canada. But India में मुझे पता है कि आपको सर कवर करने के लिए बोलते हैं. So just in case, that is one thing that I need to follow. I am keeping these 2 scarves as an option. Next up, I have this nursing cover. So it has basically this thing right here. You can just put it around your neck and then cover it, adjust the height accordingly, and you can breastfeed your baby. I felt this is so much needed, especially for your breastfeeding privacy, because a lot of people will be visiting you and you don't want to be exposed in front of them. So it's better to have a nursing cover with you. क्लोथिंग में आप अपने नर्सिंग ब्रास रख सकते हो, सैनिटरी पैड्स और मेटर्निटी पैंटीज़. डिस्पोजेबल मेटर्निटी पैंटीज़ भी आती हैं. इफ़ यू वुड लाइक टू ऑप्ट फॉर दैट, आप वो कैरी कर सकते हो अपने साथ. ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग समटाइम्स यू ऑल्सो डू नीड नर्सिंग पैड्स in case there is a lot of breast milk coming. You might need nursing pads, but since it's my first time and I don't feel like that would be the scenario in my case, तो मैं नर्सिंग पैड्स नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो हॉस्पिटल वाले आपको प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं एंड इट्स क्विक टू गेट, सो आई कैन जस्ट ऑर्डर इट ऑनलाइन इन केस इफ नीडेड. आई हैव हर्ड एज अ फर्स्ट टाइम मदर यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस निपल क्रैक्स, you can experience a lot of pain in your breast area, specifically on the nipple. So you need something as the nipple cream. So for that I have kept this Earth Mama nipple butter. This is organic. It does not have any preservatives or any harsh chemicals. Safe both for the baby and the mommy, so we are keeping this one. Next up, I'm packing a pair of slippers because my feet have been swelling a lot, and these would be comfortable during that time period. So next up, I'm packing this zipper. It is insulated, so it is going to keep the water warm. Now that was all the major essentials that I'm going to keep in my hospital bag. Apart from that, I am also keeping some of my skincare and some other basic stuff. Let's have a look on that now. I have packed all my toiletries in this cute little pouch from Clinique. I'm gonna show you one by one. Majorly all the items that I have packed in this are travel size products. Reason for that is I didn't wanted to carry a lot of big size items. It's mostly skincare and a little bit of makeup, some scrunchies. Along with that, I'm just going to keep 1 or 2 clutchers, so that because I do have really heavy hair, so few options to tie them up. Then a comb for sure. Keeping this Clinique facial soap as my face wash. Next I have this Clinique moisturizing lotion, again a travel size pack. It works for combination skin, so perfect for me, and these products are fragrance free. During that specific phase I wanted to have my skincare products which are fragrance free, because बच्चों के पास आप बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance वाला या fragrance वाला to be specific products लगा के नहीं जा सकते. It's not good for them, so that's why I am keeping all products which are fragrance free. For the face wash, I'm also keeping this La Roche-Posay gel mucin, because I do have acne prone skin और मेरे face पे कोई भी products सूट नहीं करते हैं जल्दी. Clinique वाली मैंने एक option रखी है. My husband can use that one, and I am going to use this one because this is specifically for acne prone skin and my skin is used to La Roche-Posay, so I'm gonna use this one. कनाडा में जो धूप है वो बहुत ज़्यादा गंदी वाली धूप होती है और बहुत ज़्यादा सन टैन हो जाता है, सो यू कैन नॉट स्किप योर सनस्क्रीन. तो सनस्क्रीन के लिए मैंने ये छोटू सा विशी कॉस्मेटिक्स का सनस्क्रीन पैक रखा है. Keeping this Elf Cosmetics lip balm. That was all for the skincare. For makeup, I'm not keeping much because I don't know मैं मेकअप करूँगी भी या नहीं करूँगी. यूजुअली आपको नहीं करना होता है, बट जस्ट टू make myself look presentable in case I do feel like to put on makeup, मैंने कुछ basic सी items रखी हैं. Elf monochromatic stick. This you a very beautiful peachy hue blush kind of look. For the eyes, I'm keeping this Lash It Loud mascara. For the lips, keeping this very pretty peach shade of lip liner. I've kept this Clinique lip color plus primer. So this is packed too. Apart from these items, you can also carry a blanket in case अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अपना blanket लेके जाना चाहते हो to have that comfy feeling in the hospital. So along with that, you can carry a towel, which for sure I'm gonna pack in my hospital bag later in the stage. I know initial days में मना करते हैं आपको शावर नहीं लेना होता है, but depending on the scenario, I believe कनाडा में डॉक्टर्स अलाउ कर देते हैं इन डे पे आप शावर ले सकते हो. So in case you deliver normally and you are completely fit and fine and you decide that you want to take a shower, in that case you will need your basic essentials like your towel. So definitely pack that in your hospital bag. I hope this video have been helpful for all the mommies to be. If you guys did like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, you share this video with all those beautiful pregnant moms to be, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure to follow me on my social media handles so that we can stay connected over there too. I'll see you guys in another video. That is all for today. Bye.